Next object is window object. Window object is at the top of object hierarchy. We have just seen the diagram. Window object is parent of all other objects. This statement is very important for your true or false, fill in the blanks, match the followings. Everywhere this statement can be asked. It represents an open window in the browser. The window that you have opened currently, that is the current window, that becomes your window. Okay, that is going to be treated as window object. Then an object of window is created automatically by the browser. So automatically when the window is there, the browser will create an object related to this. Window object is not like when you write document dot property. So here window dot property. So window, that word, the object name is not mandatory. It is optional. We have been using it. Then as and how you will come across, you will understand this, that the word window is optional. Okay. So let's look at the properties. First property, name. You can set or it will return the name of the window. Next one, location. Location is going to return the location of that object. That is, basically it will return the location of the document that you have saved. Returns the document object for the window. Whichever document you have loaded, it is going to return that document. Next, status. Sets or return the text in the status bar of the window. The whatever text you have set for status bar, that text will be returned, or you can set a new text also. Closed. It is going to indicate if the window is closed or if it is open. Okay. We'll see one program related to properties first, and then we will move on to next part, that is our methods. Okay. So these are the properties over here. Block type HTML, head, title, head closes, body closes, H1, script language is JavaScript, window dot name. So first thing we have used dot name. We are assigning a name equal to window 1. So if whatever name you want, you can set it. After setting the name, we are printing the name. Document dot write, we are name of the window, window dot name. Okay, so this is going to print the name that you have set. Next property, window dot location. When you use window dot location, it is going to print the location of the file that where it is saved. Okay, the document file. Next, window dot document dot title. So we know that document object has one property as title. So we have used title property of document. So here you are going to get the title over here, document title. Okay, so this is your document title. Window dot status. Window. We've just set the word as window. Status. The status bar. Chrome does not has any status bar, so you cannot see a status bar here. We'll see the status bar in Internet Explorer. And if we write window dot status, it is returning the text that is window. Next one, window dot closed. Since it is open, it is going to return false. Okay, so if it is closed, it will return, if the window is closed, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now here I am deleting window dot. So here that means this particular, I have deleted window from these two and I am pressing F5 over here. There is no change. So since it is the parent object, since we are working in the same window, at this point, in this case, window dot, that is object name, and the dot operator is optional. You can skip it, then also you will get the same result. It is not going to change. Okay. Now we will just open this particular program in Internet Explorer also to see status bar. Chrome browser does not have any status bar, so we cannot see status bar over there. So let it open. This is our Internet Explorer IE. Now whenever you are accessing JavaScript on internet, it will ask you to allow the block content. Allow this. Here, this is window and here you can see the status bar. In the status bar also you will see whatever status you have set. Window. If you want to change the status, you can change. We will change and we will see also. Here we will write Java script, save, and let's press F. Refresh over here. We'll reload the page here. See JavaScript. Here also we are seeing JavaScript. So status bar is displayed in Internet Explorer. Chrome does not has any status bar. So you cannot see a status bar in Chrome. It is not possible. Okay. Please understand and remember this. Okay. Coming back to our presentation, and let's look at the different methods. Many of the methods we've already used. Alert, it is going to show you a dialog box with OK button. Confirm, a dialog box again, but it has OK and close. Difference of both you must know. Prompt, a dialog box to accept input. Open, it is going to open a new window. Close, it will close the current window. Blur, removes the focus of the current window. Blur, it is going to shift the focus to another window. Focus, it is going to point to the current window. Print, it will open a print dialog box and you can print the current window. Set timeout, it calls a function or evaluates an expression after specified time. So we'll see this one in a program and understand this. Alert, confirm, prompt. We've already used this, so I have not used any of these in the programming. We'll start with open, close. So let's see. Next program that we have over here is okay. So here we have the again object-oriented programming, where we are going to open a new window. This is a here. Doc type, HTML, head, title, head closes, body, H1, script language is JavaScript. Var, new, win. So this is an variable which is used for creating a new window. Okay. Function, new window. We created a function, new window, for opening a new window. New in equal to win.open. When you are going to write win.open, at that time, this variable will be window object. Okay. So new win.name is, we've assigned the same name as the variable name. Then we've set the background color. New win.document.style .background color is aqua. Okay. So aqua color is going to be assigned to the background. Okay. Then this is about close. We'll talk about close later. Okay. Here. Window object, click here to open. Over here, after the script, we have a form where we have input type is button, value is click to open, new window. So this is going to call new window. When I click over here, you can see this is a new window, untitled. It is having background color as aqua. Okay. Now coming back over here, what does it say? Click here. When I am going to click here, it is going to call method window. That is a new function, method window. What is written in this? Uin.close. That means this window, the window with the name new win, is going to close. Let's see. Click. It is closed. Okay. Now I'll change this to focus. And I'll save this. Let's press F5, refresh, click to open here. Now when again I am going to click over here, automatically the focus is shifted to the new window. Okay. Similarly, you can use for blur. If you are using for blur, then the focus will be taken away. Next we have is print. Save. I'll close this window and I'll again press F5 over here. Click to open, a new window is open, and then I click over here. You can see this dot, that means there is some function over here. This is a dialog box for printing. This is printing the window with object name new.in. Okay, I am cancelling this. So this is how you can use different methods. Okay, so what all methods we have seen? Open, close, blur, focus and print. The last one, set timeout. I should be small here. Okay, set timeout. Let's look at the function set timeout. Set timeout, in this function what we are going to do is we are going to call another function after some time. Okay, so again we will have two functions, doctype HTML, HTML head, title, head closes, body starts, h1, script language is equals to JavaScript. We have one function display, document dot body dot style dot background color is orange. Please note that this C in background color is capital. Then window dot set timeout new function. Okay, comma 3000. Now this 3000 is in milliseconds. So if we convert it, it is going to be 3 seconds. We specify the time in milliseconds. After 3000 milliseconds, that is equivalent to 3 seconds, it is going to call a function by the name new function. Okay, function, new function. New function started, document dot background color is gray and the background color is going to change to gray. After that, script closes, form input type is button, value is click here, on click display. So when we are going to click on this button, first it is going to call display function. In display function, it is going to call new function but after your 3 seconds, that is 300 milliseconds. Let's see the execution. Click here, orange color, we are waiting for 3 seconds. See, alert, it is showing alert box, new function started. When I click on OK, the background color changes to gray. Okay, so this is how set timeout works. For set timeout, S is small, T is capital. Okay, and as I told you, window over here is optional. Okay, I'll just refresh this, click, same output you will get, there will be no change. Okay, this is the same output. This is how your set timeout function is going to work. It is going to wait for some milliseconds, whatever time you are going to specify, and it will call a different function. We have a program based on this set timeout for your practicals also. Okay, so this is about your window object.